Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello guys, let me just start by introducing myself. My name is Tia Rizka Nur Aini and I am from 3C. And today, I want to tell you about experimental based article. And this article from Teflin International Conference 2015. Okay, for the title is Using Games in Teaching Pronunciation at English Department Students of Skip Al-Hikmah, and this article from Faisal Hadi. Okay, if you wanna know about this article, let's begin. For the first, I wanna tell you about part of this article. The part of this article divides into several parts. And for the first is title, second, abstract, third, keywords, fourth, introduction, fifth, research method, sixth, finding and discussion, and for the last, conclusion and suggestion. Next is background. The first is objective of learning pronunciation in English department. The objective of this research, entitled Using Games in Teaching Pronunciation at English Department Student of Skip Al-Hikmah, was to examine whether or not teaching using games was able to encourage student motivation in improving their pronunciation competence. The pronunciation games are the learning activities that facilitate the students in improving pronunciation, either understanding the symbol of sound or producing the sound accurately. The setting of this research was the English Education Department student of Skip Al-Hikmah, Surabaya, so the games were applied in the class of pronunciation of that department. And the second, learning pronunciation, and the third, using games in learning process. Using games in learning classroom is one the teaching techniques which is able to stimulate student involvement active learning activity in the classroom. According to Sigurdardottir mentioned, there are 4 reasons why games should be used in the classroom. They are: first, creating fun classroom environment; second, creating friendly classroom atmosphere; third, encourage students' emotional feeling; and fourth, encouraging students' confidence in the classroom. On this study, the writer implemented 3 kinds of pronunciation games. They are pronunciation journey, phonetic race, and pronunciation maze. Next, for the research method, on this research, use a descriptive qualitative. And for the participant involving 10 students of the second semester of English department who were having pronunciation practice course. The instruments of this study were observation sheet and questionnaire. The observation sheet was used to observe the situation of the implementation of games, which was conducted 3 times. The observation sheet was semi-constructed type, in which consists of 4 specific points observed. The questionnaires was composed and administered to the students and consisted of 10 questionnaires, which were used to gain information of students' opinion of impression of using games in learning pronunciation. Next, finding and discussion. The following were the result of this study. First, the implementation of games in teaching pronunciation, and the second, the students' opinion about the use of games in teaching pronunciation. These games was effectively applied in learning pronunciation because it successfully helped the students to produce the sounds independently. The fun activities of this game have encouraged their motivation and reduced their anxiety to pronounce English sounds provided. The implementation of those three games has brought positive effect to the learning pronunciation atmosphere. The games have not only helped the students to improve their pronunciation, but it also helped them how to learn pronunciation in fun way. And for the student opinion, to gain the result about the students toward using games in teaching pronunciation, the writer used questionnaires which consist of 10 questions. 9 questions relate to their impression toward the application of games in learning pronunciation, and questions relate to their opinion towards the pronunciation itself. Okay, and for the last is conclusion and suggestion. First, using games in teaching pronunciation is effective in improving students' pronunciation competence. This teaching method also successfully promotes students' motivation and confidence in producing the English sound independently. And second, suggest for the lecturers to provide the sounds of English which have been discussed before. Since the students' English skill in the classroom are heterogeneous, the instruction of the game should be given clearly by the lecturer. Okay, that's all for my presentation today. Thank you for your attention and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.